Intro. New luxury bike. Welcome to New Luxury Bike. Today, we explore the 2025 Vespa GTS Super 300, a premium scooter that blends timeless Italian style with stronger performance, advanced tech, and pure riding comfort. Classic Italian design reimagined, the 2025 GTS Super 300 stays loyal to Vespa's vintage silhouette but receives sharper styling. The iconic steel body, elegant curves, and bold color options make it instantly recognizable. Updated LED lighting, redesigned indicators, and refined chrome elements give it a more modern and luxurious presence on the road. Enhanced performance and power. At the heart of the new GTS is the 300cc high-performance engine, tuned to deliver smooth acceleration and a stronger torque curve. Whether navigating city traffic or cruising highways, the scooter offers confident power delivery and exceptional refinement. Vespa's improved CVT system ensures quiet, responsive, and effortless rides. Comfort and ride quality. The 2025 GTS Super 300 elevates comfort with a wider seat, improved cushioning, and better ergonomics for long-distance riding. Front suspension has been upgraded to reduce vibrations, while the rear shocks provide a stable and controlled feel on uneven roads. The scooter maintains its signature relaxed riding posture, ideal for everyday commutes and weekend trips. Technology and smart features. Vespa integrates modern connectivity with a full digital display, Bluetooth support, and navigation assistance. Riders can view notifications, trip data, and vehicle information directly on the screen. Keyless operation, USB charging, and improved fuel efficiency make the GTS more convenient than ever. Safety and control. Equipped with dual-channel ABS and ASR traction control, the GTS Super 300 ensures reliable braking and superior grip in all riding conditions. Larger disc brakes and better tire compounds provide enhanced stability and confidence. Final thoughts. The 2025 Vespa GTS Super 300 blends heritage and innovation, keeping its classic charm while elevating performance, comfort, and technology. It remains one of the most stylish and premium scooters for riders seeking elegance with everyday practicality. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, stay connected with New Luxury Bike for more premium motorcycle and scooter updates.